Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 25th June 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father is teaching you Raja Yoga for the new world. Therefore, this old world is definitely going to be destroyed. Question: which good habit do human beings have, from which they receive no attainment? Answer: only when something happens human beings have the habit of remembering God. Then, they say, "Oh God." They think of an oval image, but because they have no real recognition of Him, they have no attainment. Then, they say that He gives happiness and sorrow, that He gives everything. You children no longer say this. Essence for Dharana. First is, make Shiv Baba your heir and exchange everything you have. Having made him your heir, you also have to earn your livelihood. Life as a trustee. Don't use your money for any sinful acts. Second is, you should have bubbles of happiness inside you that Baba, Himself, the ocean of knowledge, is teaching you. In order to become a pure and charitable soul, stay in remembrance. Don't be afraid of the storms of Maya. Blessing for today. May you become a fearless embodiment of authority and reveal the one Father on the basis of truth. Details are: truth is the basis of revelation. In order to reveal the Father, speak as a fearless embodiment of authority, not with hesitation. When those with many opinions just accept that the Father of all of us is the one, that only He carries out this task, that all of us are the children of that one and that He is the true one, the flag of victory will then be hoisted. With this belief, you will return to the land of liberation, and then, when you come down to play your own parts, this sanskar of God is one will emerge. This is the awareness in the golden age. Slogan is, to tolerate something is to reveal your own form of power. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness, be introverted. Just as your body is clearly visible, similarly, the form of your soul should be clearly visible, that is, it should be experienced. Nothing apart from the soul conscious form should be visible on your forehead, that is, in the of your intellect's awareness and in your vision. Nothing else should come into your awareness. Become such a constant tapasvi soul that you will then be able to have pure, benevolent thoughts for all souls. Even if someone becomes an instrument, due to his nature and sanskars, to test your efforts, always have constantly benevolence thought for them.